one thing you love about China? Food.
Hot pot, definitely.
Oh yeah.
It was our first evening in Beijing and we were starving.
Okay, so this is my first Chinese restaurant experience.
We ventured into the streets to see what we could find.
Let's take a look at the menu. Jing Chuan Ren Jia. We have some pig knuckle. The fungus. Black hairy belly. Who knows what that is? Wood ear. Duck blood. Guys, here we have pig brain. Pig brain. Pig brain. Fish balls. I hope these aren't fish balls. The pig is... Tell us what the pig is. What is the pig? Fat on the brain. The best fat. I fat meat.
Intimidated by the menu, we finally just pointed at a neighbouring table and asked for what they had. This was a useful ordering technique in China. A waiter took down our orders on a fancy gadget. It arrived in a few minutes. It turned out that we had just ordered HOTPOT, a popular dish that has been eaten in China for over 1,000 years.
They basically bring a hot pot. There's literally a fire in there. You order a bunch of side dishes and you just dip it in the boiling water, which I guess kills off any bad bacteria, but also just cooks it. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's see how it goes.
The waiter brought out shared plates of various raw meats and vegetables. Using chopsticks, we simply dipped them into boiling water to cook.
So first you take raw meat, dip it into the hot pot until it's no longer pink.
How did you put it on?
The slices are so thin that this only takes a few minutes.
I'm gonna try it.
This whole process was much more communal and social than Western dining etiquette, where everything is individual.
I love just zooming into people's faces in the background.
The origins of hot pot can be traced back to hungry Mongolian horsemen. As they travelled into China, they supposedly cooked soups in their helmets over an open fire, adding various meats to the broth. There aren't many rules when it comes to hot pot. All you need is a pot, chopsticks, tongs and scoopers. As for the ingredients, the list can be as long as your heart desires.
Okay, I want to put some sauce on it.
Our favourite part was the sesame sauce, which frankly made anything taste delicious.
Thank you.
We walked back through the night streets as the shops closed.
So we're just walking down this boulevard in Beijing. And I gotta say, it looks so Chinese. In New York or London, you have Chinatown and you have really cliche Chinese styles going on. You're here and it's actually like that. Everything, this is like stereotype China. Like you have these red lanterns, golden signs everywhere. Okay, Nike's forgotten sister. It's something I've noticed in a lot of shops. People pay to dress up in very traditional outfits and sit on a throne and get a photo. Look very good.
We found a bar and were instantly joined by some drunk locals.
Can you say ni hao for the camera? Can you say it? Ni hao? Oh. You live in Beijing? Oh, okay, it's okay. This guy's just appeared and decided to buy us all beers. We're not complaining. Thank you very much. I have a YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Well, I'm just very popular in China.
So that was my experience of hot pot in China, but there are variations of the cuisine in countries like Cambodia, Thailand and Vietnam. Thanks for watching and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. Also, make sure you hit subscribe to see my next video.